How mutual funds really work. You invest 500 Indian rupees in a mutual fund. Where does your money actually go? Does the fund manager buy stocks immediately? Who decides which companies to buy? How do you make money? Today, we'll follow your 500 Indian rupees from your bank account to India's biggest companies. Chapter 1: What happens when you invest? You invest through an app. Your money reaches the mutual fund company AMC. Thousands of investors invest every day. Money is pooled into one large fund. What is an asset management company AMC? Why pooling money is powerful? Now that thousands of investors' money is together, who decides where billions of rupees are invested? Chapter 2: Meet the fund manager. Who is a fund manager? Research teams and analysts. How companies are selected. Risk management. Diversification. Why they don't put all money into one stock. Large cap, mid cap, small cap. The fund manager has bought the stocks, but how do you actually make money? Chapter 3: Where does your profit come from? NAV, net asset value. How NAV is calculated. Stock prices go up and down. Dividend income. Capital appreciation. Why returns change every day. Why mutual funds can also lose money. But if thousands of people are investing and withdrawing every day, how does the fund keep everything organized? Chapter 4: The hidden machine behind mutual funds. SEBI regulations. Custodian. Trustee. Registrar and transfer agent RTA. Daily valuation. Audits. Transparency. Why fraud is rare. So are mutual funds actually safer than investing yourself? Chapter 5: Should you invest in mutual funds? Pros and cons. Who should invest? SIP versus lump sum. Long-term investing. Final recap. Investor. AMC. Fund manager. Stocks. NAV. Returns. When you invest in a mutual fund, you're not buying a stock. You're buying a professionally managed portfolio that may contain dozens or even hundreds of investments. Your money joins millions of other investors, all working toward the same goal: long-term wealth creation. Every month millions of people invest in mutual funds with just a few taps on their phones. But behind that simple investment, an entire financial system begins working for them. Your money is pooled with millions of other investors. Professional fund managers carefully select investments. Every transaction is monitored, recorded, and regulated. And every day, the value of your investment changes with the market. A mutual fund isn't a magic way to make money. It's simply a way to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. The next time you invest in a mutual fund, you'll know exactly where your money goes, who manages it, and how it works behind the scenes.